Hello and welcome everyone to another video. Today I am going to show you how you can install multiple software at once. So let's go. Open your browser. I have my browser open. Now type in nite.com. I have this site open already. Once you are here, select all your program you want to install from the list, and then once you are done, now go down here and press get nite. Click on it, and once you are done, a dialog box will open. Save this file. Once you saved it, it will download into your PC. Now press Ctrl+J. Now click on show in folder. Now open your download folder, and this will open this file. Now click enter, and it will open your Windows installer dialog box. Now click on install anyway. Now press yes. As you can see, it is installing. Now I will close all the useless windows. As you can see, finished. It might take time according to your number of software and your internet speed. So I think this is it for now. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment box. I will see you later in the next video. Have a great day.